How to add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace. Okay, to do this is very simple, but you won't be doing it directly on your Workspace account or your Squarespace account. You'll be doing this using another site called Elf Sites. So the first thing to do is just to open another tab and then type www.fsites.com. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the F-Sites page where you'll be asked to create an account. Just go ahead, create an account, and once you've created an account, you'll be brought to this page automatically. And for you to be sure that an account has been created, you'll see your profile icon by the right side of the screen. Okay. Then once you're on this page, in the box here, if you cannot find WhatsApp chat widget here, just search it. But for me, I can see WhatsApp chat here, so I'll just click on it. WhatsApp chat is underneath Instagram feed. Sorry. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to a page where you'll be asked to choose a template. Okay, it could be general like this, it could be support, it could be sell, could be booking. Just select the one you want. For me, I'll select general and then I'll click on continue. Once that is done, you can further edit this here by putting a phone number, or if you want it to be a chat bubble and header, just edit it the way you want. Play around with this, and once that is done, by the top part of the screen you will see the publish icon. Click on publish, and once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to select the plan you want. For me, I'll be going with the free plan, so I'll click on select. Once that is done, here your code is ready. Just go ahead and copy it. Once you've copied it, go back to your Squarespace account. Okay, now once you're on your Squarespace account, you'll be brought to your website page. Now on this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Select website. Once you selected website, you'll be taken to another page where you see pages. Scroll down until you see website tools. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, select code injection on the menu displayed. Then here, select where you want the WhatsApp chat to be, either in the header or in the footer. For me, I'll be selecting the footer. So once you are in this box, just left click and then paste the code. Once that's been pasted, at the top part of the screen, you'll see the save icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will be saved, and then WhatsApp chat will be added automatically to your site. To confirm, you can just click on the website and then you'll see your WhatsApp chat added already. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.